Ohio, some people are already living the life they once dreamed of. You see them succeed, you see them arrive, may direction, may bunga, at minsan, mapapatanong ka.
Oh, paano naman yung akin?
You work, you wait, you pray, but nothing seems to move. Parang lahat sila may patutunguhan, habang ikaw, nandito pa rin, naghihintay, umaasa, napapagod. Demo, obui ite junwa, kurabero mo no janay. Just because it hasn't happened yet, doesn't mean it won't. Hindi ka nahuli, hindi ka iniwan, hindi ka nakalimutan. Unmewa niwa, jun baga aru. Some are early bloomers, some are late starters. But everyone blooms in their own season. Yung delay nararamdaman mo, hindi parusa. Paghahanda yan. While you are waiting, become stronger, wiser, and ready. Yung mga jun bino jinkan. Yung para sa'yo, hindi mapupunta sa iba yan. At yung para sa'yo, will find you. Anata no panua kanarazu kuru. Their destiny is there. And yours, paparating pa lang. Keep going, keep on praying. Your destiny is come. Jesus is on time, in perfect timing.
So, paano? Mata na arigatou gozaimasu.